Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to unpair your headphones Philips from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list click the information icon near to your headphones, and at the last line we have the button Forget this device. Tap at this button, but if you want to only stop Bluetooth connection with your headphones but leave them at the device list, you need to select Disconnect. But let's remove them, so forget this device and forget device. Now we can turn off these headphones by pressing hold power button at the right ear cup. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!